Vuzix Blade smart glasses are a hands-free extension of your smartphone that displays your digital life right in front of your eyes. Never miss the action with a built-in high-definition camera for capturing videos and beautiful pictures. Simple swipe and tap interactions let you control your view. Powerful Cobra display engines. Be connected, stay informed, and never miss a shot with Vuzix Blade smart glasses.
It's all about the connection.
Between you and the road,
You and the data, you and your team, your coach.
You and your breathing, you and your body.
Solos untethers you from the ground.
It lets you personalize the data you see and hear.
326 watts.
Keeping your eyes on the road, yourself in the moment.
Turn left.
Merging your metrics and surroundings. Human and machine.
Bringing together all the moving parts.
It's the bonding agent of all your data points.
From your glasses to your apps to your coach.
You can finally stay fully present.
No looking down.
No breaking stride.
No unsafe distractions.
You feel at one with the thing you love to do. Connected.
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 Eyeglasses. Over 61% of us wear them every single day. Over the years, they've adapted from magnifying spectacles to key fashion accessories. However, one thing has always remained constant. They're just glasses. Until now.
The high temperature for today will be 75 degrees.
Introducing LetGlass. LetGlass is a revolutionary pair of AI glasses
Turn off the
that
lights.
transformed the traditional pair of eyeglasses into a high-tech, fashion-forward product that changes the way you live. At first glance, LetGlass appears to be a standard pair of normal eyeglasses, but the clever frames can perform a range of functions using a built-in microphone, bone conduction speakers, and touch interface embedded on the side of the frames. With LetGlass, users are able to listen to music, chat with friends, and track activity without having to touch their mobile phone, and can customize control settings.
How's traffic to my office?
The traffic was light, so I'm estimating 23 minutes.
Our patented bone conduction technology allows you to hear stereo music without blocking your ears. It transmits music through your bones directly to your inner ear, so you can still hear everything around you. With LetGlass, you can hear music and notifications, and make hands-free phone calls
Call Mary.
using the built-in microphone.
Hey Mary, I'll be in the office in 15 minutes.
Integrated with Amazon Alexa and connectable to Siri Google Voice Assistant from your phone,
Play Live Free by Tim White.
LetGlass allows you to interact with your home technology wherever you are on the go.
Add coffee to my grocery list.
Okay, I added it.
Add items to your grocery list, lock your doors, or set reminders, all with a touch of a finger.
In 80 feet, the destination is on your right.
LetGlass is designed for people who wear glasses every day, so fashion was a key priority. Each pair of LetGlasses comes in 3 colors and designs. And while these glasses offer corrective vision that you can rely on, the additional features add value to your daily routine at a level unlike ever before. So change the way you wear glasses. Change the way you live. Get LetGlass now and open your eyes to a whole new world of style and convenience.